Hey APS Tech family, today we are unboxing the Apple's HomePod Mini, a compact but powerful smart speaker. Apple's signature minimalistic packaging. Here on this side, it highlights the spatial audio, Siri integration, and compatibility with the Apple's ecosystem. Alright, without wasting any further time, let's get inside the box. First up, we have got the Apple HomePod Mini itself in white color, simple but classy looking, and I also got one in the black color itself, and then the USB-C power adapter and the usual Apple paperwork, simple but packaged with quality, just what we have expected from Apple. Check this out, compact, sleek, with a mesh fabric for 360-degree sound, perfect for small spaces, and it has a premium Apple feel. Packed with the Apple's S5 chip, the HomePod Mini optimizes sound in real time, plus Siri is built in, so it works seamlessly with your Apple devices. So that is our quick unboxing of the Apple HomePod Mini. Stay tuned for a full review and a sound test. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe to APS Tech for more tech unboxings and reviews. Thanks for watching.